Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn automation programming. We'll cover everything from foundational concepts to building real-world projects. First, understand what automation truly means and its vast benefits across various industries. Then, select a suitable programming language, like Python, which is widely used for its simplicity and extensive libraries. Finally, set up your development environment, installing essential tools and an integrated development environment to begin your coding journey effectively. Once your environment is ready, focus on mastering core programming skills. Learn fundamental constructs like variables, conditional statements, and loops, which are the building blocks of any program. Practice using data structures such as lists, dictionaries, and sets to efficiently organize information. Develop your problem-solving abilities by working on small, focused coding challenges and exercises regularly. With a solid programming foundation, it's time to explore specific automation tools. Familiarize yourself with common libraries and frameworks, such as Selenium for web automation or OS and Subprocess for system tasks. Understand how to interact with application programming interfaces, or APIs, and web services to connect different applications. Learn to automate tasks across various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, for broad applicability. The most effective way to solidify your learning is by building real-world projects. Start with simple automation scripts, like organizing files or sending automated emails, then gradually tackle more complex challenges. Consider collaborating on open-source projects to gain valuable team experience and exposure to diverse coding styles. Remember to continuously learn new technologies and best practices, as the field of automation is always evolving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.